Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up any custom network profiles. This avoids surprises. Next, open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections on some phones so you can act immediately. Decide whether you want system-wide DNS, private DNS, DNS over TLS, or a per-app solution like a VPN-based DNS app. Pick based on privacy and control. Once chosen, proceed to the specific DNS method below to apply the change and test reachability. Now you configure the chosen DNS. For private DNS, tap Private DNS and enter the provider hostname like DNS. Example: COM. This enables DNS over TLS system-wide. For Wi-Fi only, long press the network, choose Modify Network, set IP settings to static if needed, then enter DNS1 and DNS2. If you prefer per-app control, install a trusted DNS/VPN app, grant the VPN permission, and select your resolver. Make sure to save settings and reconnect so changes take effect. Finish by verifying that DNS works. Open a browser and visit a known site, or use a DNS test app to confirm your resolver and encrypted connection. If pages fail to load, revert to automatic DNS or re-enter correct host names and addresses. Intermittent issues often come from typos or blocked resolvers. Once done, clear app cache and reboot the phone to force fresh DNS lookup. If problems remain, switch providers or temporarily disable private DNS to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.